What is going on, everybody? We are here. Sorry, I had to fix the camera real quick before we went on. Good morning to Frank. First in the chat, as always, we got Freddie, Nick F, Danelle, AMC Trapper, and Freddie once more. AMC Trapper, did you get your cup yet? If not, man, it should be coming today if you didn't get your cup yesterday. I was wanting to know about that. Because you're not that far away. So I got to see when your guys' stuff starts arriving. What's up, people? Hello, Samanino. How you doing, man? Good morning, Freddie. What's up, people? AMC Trapper. Morning, Danelle. Morning, Nick F. Hey, Frank. And AMC Limor. Yes, Frank. Guys, what's the market doing today? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it kind of just sitting sideways? AMC bouncing, sitting at $20.92 right now, up 1%. That's good. I wonder what my calls are doing then. I wonder what my calls are doing on AMC. I bought some calls yesterday, so I like the fact that it's bouncing. Sheba sitting at 31.19. GameStop sitting at 117. Prog sitting at 161 right now. Barely green. Red for GameStop. GameStop actually came down. Where did it bottom out at, man? Down here at like 115. GameStop I don't know. GameStop having a hard day today, kind of following through on yesterday's AMC loss. And we got Shiba sitting at 31.19. Prog sitting at 161. If Devil's Advocate is in here, we got to see what he did with those puts. Farmy sitting at 22.58. Never updates in this watch list. I have no idea why. NASDAQ trying to break even on the day. And Sundial. Guys, today's going to be a good day because look at this. I know you can see it right here. Today is going to be an amazing day. Sundial is in the green. I don't even own Sundial, and I'm happy when it's in the green. So congratulations if you do own some Sundial. Green day today. It's a rarity. A very, very rarity day for Sundial being in the green right there. Good morning, Cassie. Good morning, Kalani. Triple Vogue. Hit that like button. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to click that like button. YouTube really does like it when you guys click the like button. So, I mean, please click the like button if you don't normally click it. Really, YouTube likes it. For Clay's sake, smash that like button. Shiba Inu, thank you very much. No, sir, not yet. AMC Trapper. Well, hopefully you get it today, man. I think I don't want to go through and look at everybody's stuff. I sent out like 10 or 15 different things, so I don't want to go through and search all the tracking numbers because you probably get it today anyway. I'm going to put this way string. What? I'm going to put this in this way, string them together. Oh, yeah, Freddie, you didn't get anything yet, Freddie. But that's expected. Freddie didn't get anything yet. Bank account like it. Moonstronaut. My bank account likes the calls that we bought. Yes, and sub. Kalani. Do it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button either, guys. Actually, liking may be better than subscribing sometimes. Like, if you plan on watching the videos anyway, great. It's not 100% necessary that you subscribe. But clicking that like button, YouTube uses that and actually recommends it to other people based on the current viewers actually clicking the like button. So it is important, apparently. I don't know why it's so important that people click the like button, man, but they love it. The likes, Moonstronaut, yes. Well, yeah, dude, because clicking the like button, YouTube actually uses that to determine whether or not they want to recommend it to other people. So whether or not they want the video to continue ranking in search, whether or not they want to send some push notifications out, whether or not they want to test it by putting like a video, or putting that video on somebody's homepage randomly, or you know what the deal is. They do like it if you click that like button. I like to say, Moonstronaut, thank you. Thank you for clicking that like button, Moonstronaut. Hello, everybody. What's up, Paul Wright Lawns? How you doing today, man? Hopefully very well. Paul Wright, what are you doing when you're not mowing lawns? I don't know if that's your name or if you actually mow lawns, but you're not mowing lawns in the middle of winter, are you? Oh, let's see here. Moon, good job. Yes, it's always a good job if you guys click that like button. Really appreciate it. What do we got going on in terms of coins today, too? That I do not know. I wanted to click up here. Multiverse is one that I was going to be looking at. If this continues to come down in price a little bit, I might buy some Multiverse. I was liking the sound of that today. So I might add that, but we got some... You got any big gainers today? Bytecoin. Oh, you got to be joking me, man. You got to be joking me. Hold on, dude. I thought about buying some Bytecoin like 2 nights ago or last night. That thing's up 3,000% right now. I gotta see. Just hold on. Well, I'll let you guys see this. You're joking, man. You're joking. If this is a legitimate 30,000 or 3,000% gain, I'm gonna be blown away. Oh my god. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I was looking at Bitcoin probably right in here, right after it listed. I assume last night. Okay, so maybe the night before last it listed, because it's not within the last 24 hours. Yeah, dude, and then look at this gain right here. Oh, I was sailing along on Moonlight Bay, losing all my money. Boom! God, 20x. 20x. What a wonderful gain, man. What a wonderful gain. Extremely low volume, though. Extremely low volume. So, I don't know. Let's chalk this up to an illegitimate gain. On $493 volume. Chalk it up to an illegitimate gain. So I don't kick myself for missing out on that. My gosh. Kitty Ninja. Recently added. You guys are into Kitty Ninja and Laser Eyes. They come up with everything, man. My gosh. Alright, so let's see. Congrats on 71. Did we actually... Oh, yeah, I think we did hit 71 and 71,069 maybe, or 71,061 or something like that. I did see that this morning. Thank you very much for the congratulations there, Nick F. I feel your pain, Clay, bro. The like button is so easy to click. Frank F, I'm telling you, man. And Frank CFV, it's so easy to click, yet people don't want to do it. Thanks for asking, Clay. Paul! I didn't even see what your answer was, man. Plan on taking care of my horses. Nice, Paul. Horses are not easy to take care of. Clay, bro, what made you want to get options on AMC? AMC Trapper, good question. The last 3 times we touched $20 per share, bounced right off of it and had a nice gain. So we came back down, tested that level of support again. Hey, if we break it this time, it's bucking the trend, man. So I'm just going with the trend on what we did the last 3 times we touched $20 per share. And dude, if I lost out on it this time, it's because it did its own thing. Completely changed the course of things. Thanks for asking, Clay. Absolutely, man. Clay, bro, what made you say that? I saw that there. Good morning, bro. Pradeep Patel, how you doing? Anyone with horses has too much money. Give me some. Like a boat or an ex-wife. You guys are crazy, man. Some of these new projects take 7% liquidity when buying and 20% when selling to encourage people to hold. Yeah, I hate apples. It's a little crazy, man. It's a little crazy. Some of them out there don't do that. But yeah, there is anywhere from I think 5% is kind of like the lowest I've seen lately on these new coins. And dude, it does go all the way up. I haven't seen it 20%, but I have seen 15s. So it is, pretty crazy. You got to get some big gains if you do want to have a capital gain on those. Living in the UK, what do you think this is a big factor to take into account when it comes to crypto? That panda thing, man. Do I think it's a big factor to take into consideration that you live in the UK when you're buying crypto? And if that's what you're asking, I'm going to be completely honest, man. I do not know the United Kingdom regulations for crypto. So I can't really say whether or not that's a factor you should consider, if that's what you're asking, man. Yo, dumb or smart, I've been selling my high gain 200-ish calls on BBIG. I'm moving some of the profit to higher price, cheaper ones as we are moving up, adding to my cash position. Dude, adding to that cash position has to feel good, Devil's Advocate. Julia Gulia, good morning, Julia. How's your day going? Also, currently have 7.6 million Shiba right now. That panda thing, very good. There's currently no law in place for tax. Should I make any big returns? Interesting. Interesting. Here's the deal, man. I don't know. Look, I'm not a tax expert, okay? I hate paying taxes just like you hate paying taxes, right? But with that being said, you know, I'm definitely not a tax expert, so I can't give you any advice on that. But you should always, like, don't blow through all of your money just in case they do try to come back and tax it or something. So always have some money on hand if you need to pay your taxes. But yeah, I have no idea what the UK would do in their taxes. I would keep that in the back of my mind. Well, how many YouTube guys are promoting about Everrise token? Any idea? Crypto Dreamer. No, I did see. Let me look up Everrise real quick because I may have seen that a couple days ago on CoinMarketCap because it does sound familiar, but I'm not exactly sure. But I don't know, man. If you're getting a lot of YouTubers to promote it, maybe Everrise is going through their marketing budget and trying to get the word out about Everrise. So that could be one of the reasons. Isa Woo, a Many Worlds has dropped the Zero Ma family. Good afternoon, y'all. Has it really? Dude, has it really? I haven't looked at Many Worlds in a little while, so let's see. Many Worlds. It's this one, right? Is it Many or Many? I don't even know which one it is. I think it's this one. Nice. Yeah, man, you would have almost doubled your money from the low right there. So that's not bad at all. You would have almost doubled your money from the low. So that means I'm up. Dude, doing pretty good on Many Worlds. I would have got in back here. I think I got in on New Year's Eve. So, dude, I'm up a good 25% then. It's not bad. Isa Woo, thanks for the heads up, man. Thanks for the heads up. Let's see here. Julia Gilia used to be Elizabeth. Never! She's changing who she is. Taking profits feels good. I won't lie to y'all. If you're exclusively a diamond hander, highly recommend taking a profit and seeing how it feels. Also recommend buying a put, even one, to see green on a down day. Yeah, dude, you got to figure out what works best for you. No other way to do that than to experiment. Adler Gray, if you are investing $200,000 and asking an internet guy, should you sell? You deserve. No. Nobody ever deserves to lose a lot. I hate apples. My wife won't leave me. Maybe up 40,000 on the bet yesterday. Is Adler the dude that was buying Doge? Oh God, yeah, Adler. Yeah, you listen, man. You YOLO'd on that one, and I don't know if you're joking or not, but I was really worried about you, man, but Doge was at 19 or 20 cents this morning when I looked at it, so congratulations. Congratulations on that one. If you did do that, your rent is due in February, man. Your rent's due in February. Don't forget about that. Come on now. Oh, this guy makes me nervous. Adler makes me nervous. Thanks for being very clear and transparent in your answers, bro. Thanks for keeping it real. Long way to go. Let's go, Crypto Dreamer. Hello, bro. Verse. Leah, been a minute. How you doing, brother? That beard is growing nicely. Surprised you're not on Dogelon Mars. It's promising. Paulo Jr., man. Are you surprised because the beard is growing in nicely and I'm not on Dogelon Mars? Or you're surprised for another reason and just wanted to compliment the beard? Either way, I like it, but I wanted to know your thought process behind it. If anything, I have absolutely no issue paying my taxes at all. I'm not looking to be a millionaire or anything. I just want to make enough money to get a nice place of my own and open my own bar. Nice, that panda thing. Well, come on, dude. I mean, you got to admit, if you didn't have to pay your taxes, you'd probably be a little happier if you didn't have to. But I'm not telling you not to. So just be responsible, man. Whatever you think is responsible, be responsible with it. Lee, long time no see. For real, Mr. Simon. Bam! Nothing can stop us. We're all the way up. Yes, I am the guy. Adler, don't make me nervous, dude. Don't make me nervous, all right? Adler, think about that, okay? When you're making a decision, like, should I take a mortgage out, or should I take an equity line out on my house and YOLO in Dogecoin, as the entire crypto market is experiencing a pullback and some severe volatility, and then you just think to yourself, would this make Clay nervous? And if the answer is yes, I don't know. Think about it again, okay? Because I know you're going to come in here and you're going to tell me you did it, and then you're going to make me nervous by doing it. Clearly, if you did that, it worked out great for you. But you clearly made me nervous too, man. Oh, yes. Creativity from the future. Oh, yeah. Let's go. GME looks like it's slowly dying. I don't know if it's slowly dying, but GME is having a very difficult day today. AMC pulling back a little bit right now, coming back down to 2030 after being back up at 2090. Running into some difficult times trying to get back up above $21 per share. Hopefully we do, and things turn around, because we gotta see this bad boy go back up. I do not want to sustain a move below 20. My goodness, I do not want to do that. Sheba sitting at 31.27 right now. Currently got some green candles coming our way. GME sitting at 118, down 3.5%. And Prague 164, rolling sideways with a tiny little bounce up 2% on the day. Follow me. Any action there? 22.56. Nope, no action whatsoever. Isau, yes, baby, yes. Also, I have to give you credit. You have got the most active. You're the most active creator I've ever seen, and never seen people upload videos as fast as you. Boom, that panda thing. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Look, I enjoy doing it. Okay, I enjoy doing it, and yes, I am in a routine right now where, you know, I kind of fall into it, where I'm looking stuff up, I'm doing a video, I'm going live, having some fun, looking stuff up, taking a little rest, and then getting ready for round 2, and then the videos in the evening. So thank you very much for the, I guess, positive feedback there, because it is a lot. I'm not going to lie, it is a lot, but I got the energy for it, and I like doing it, so let's make it happen. Good morning, Clay. Spider Claude, good morning to you. Dogecoin is up again due to Elon's tweet, small pump, and huge nut when with his drama stop. Or do you think that I'm overthinking and not chill? No, Crypto Dreamer, I did not know why it was up today. So I actually mentioned Dogecoin in my video this morning. Dogecoin up to 20 cents. Okay. Sitting at 20 cents right now, tapped out at 21.50. Look, you are, and if Adler's in here still, Adler, man, look, you are running into some resistance, or you did run into some resistance right here at this 22 cent mark, okay? Bounced back off of it. If this does not hold up as support right here, this level, tapping it back in here on these wicks, tapping it here on these candles as well. If this does not hold up, man, I don't know if you guys, if I'm covering it up. If this does not hold up, this 19 cent line, I can't tell you to take your profit, dude, but, you know, you might see a fall back down to 16 cents. So if you want to stomach that loss back down to 16 cents, okay, but, dude, you did good, man. You did good. If you really put house money into Dogecoin and you saw this gain right here overnight, dude, you may have overextended yourself, and you might want to clearly overextended yourself if you're making me nervous. Hope all is well, Leah. Yeah, it's really good. Thanks, Elizabeth. She is doing fine. Something is doing fine. One take helps a lot. Oh yeah, AMC Trapper. No joke on that, man. No joke on that. One takers. Look. And that's kind of what I set out, like, wanting to do, okay? Now, I know there's other guys out there that they might spend 2 or 3 days editing a video, right? Well, they got a ton of stuff. They got graphics. They got transitions. They got multiple cameras. They got cool graphics. I mean, they got a lot of stuff, and it takes a minute to edit that. But I don't know, man. That's not what... I'm not a big editor, so I prefer just to talk. So it does help. It helps significantly if you're looking to get out more content, or do it stress-free, or not worry about all the frills. Why is it all or nothing DCA, man? Why is it all or nothing DCA? I bought in at a 16.8. I sold off at 20.02. Adler. God, man, thank you. Oh, now I don't have to worry about this guy anymore. Adler. And answer me honestly, man. Answer me honestly. So I don't know if I have to worry about you in the future or not. But did you really put two, and I don't care if you did or not. Like, just answer me honest. Did you or did you not take an equity line out on your house and do that? Were you just playing with me? Were you just playing with me, dude? Let's see. I need Doge to go up higher. My average is 26 cents. Yeah, I got out of my Doge actually at, I believe it was 32 cents. So I don't have a problem, because my dad asks me often what I think about Dogecoin. And I don't have a problem with Dogecoin going back up. But Dogecoin is very heavily reliant on the Doge army and on Elon Musk in particular. Now, Shiba Inu coin's slightly different, because Shiba Inu coin does have the Shiba army that is doing a lot of work keeping the price propped up. And it's got, I don't think the Dogecoin has the same projects going on that Shiba Inu coin does. Shiba Inu coin with the games and the Oshiverse and Shibarium and Shiba Swap and Shiba Net, and they might be biting off more than they can chew. That might be true. But Shiba Inu coin at least has some underlying stuff going on that we could fall back on. How does Doge climb? And Shiba does not without any utility. Moonstronaut. Simply the fact, I guess, that Elon was tweeting about it, causing a stir, and getting people riled up again. Leah, stay safe. Everything goes well with your Nana. Yes, I hope so too. Adler, go buy GME. You can offset the crypto gains with the losses you will make. I hate apples. No. Do not lose any of those gains. The best video producer and most knowledgeable streamer on crypto out there. Creativity from the future. Appreciate you, man. I love the positive feedback. 81 people watching this live chat, but only 26 likes. Guys, let us smash the like button and encourage him now. Let us like it now. He deserves it. Crypto Dreamer, thank you very much. Yeah, guys, listen, don't forget to click that like button if you haven't already. It really does help. Loopring added a Weeble. Do you know anything about it? So I don't know too much about Loopring, but I don't think that you can trade Loopring on Weeble yet. I think it's currently in the beta phase or something. At least I could not trade it. I did look at that because my dad was telling me about that like yesterday or 2 days ago, and I don't think it's available to trade just yet, but I did not look at it this morning to see if it was tradable. I took the equity line out last week. I did this without advising my wife prior. I was behind on bills since losing my job last month. Took 50% out of Doge today. It's making me so freaking nervous, man. Oh gosh. Look, man, Adler, you're living a crazy life, man. You're living a crazy life. You are definitely YOLOing, and I'm glad that it worked out for you. The only non-financial advice I can give you is don't test your luck, okay? You did very good. Don't test your luck. You did very good, though. 2, heavy invested meme coins, Shiba Inu and Dogelon. Mars, they're very similar and promising. Paolo Jr., very nice, man. Dogelon, Mars, yeah, you're getting up there in market cap for sure. Last time I looked, Dogelon was sitting around, I think, $750 million in market cap. What's Dogelon got going on today? Many Worlds killing it, dude. Dropped to 0, almost 25% on that bad boy. Dogelon, Mars. Yeah, $732 million market cap right now. A lot of watch lists there. If you guys want to know, Dogelon Mars sitting right here. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 5 zeros. $700 million market cap. Quest 3, the Conquest 3D. Thank you very much for the super chat. Bro, what's going on with AMC, bro? What should I set my auto sell at? I think Shiba will rebound when AMC starts accepting it in March, bro. So listen, auto sell. So if you're going to set an auto sell, okay, the first place, if you want to be really tight, I would have said right below 20. And you may have triggered this morning because it did touch 1950. So 20 is a level of support, but it seems like we might be holding that $20 line right now. Below that, $17, okay? So if you're going to set an auto sell somewhere around a level of support, you theoretically, and this doesn't always work out, but the best place to put it would be right below that level of support, because if it breaks it, it's most likely going to go test the next level of support, which is at 1450. So if you don't want to ride it all the way down to 1450, the numbers are 20, 17, and then that 1450. Look, man, I'm not going to sell my shares. Even if AMC goes back down to $1, I'm not selling my shares. I am in it for a short squeeze. So that's the case on me. If you guys feel led to sell your shares of AMC and potentially get back in, then, use some levels of support. Use some, I guess, technical analysis in determining where to do so. Grains, thank you very much for the super chat. What's up, Clay? You already know who it is. It's Grains. My real question is, Grains, where's Jojo? Where's Jojo? We got to get Jojo back in here. We are growing daily. It is inevitable. Paolo Jr., I hope so, man. YOLO. Going into Canopy Group next. THC to the moon. Oh, my gosh. Dude, now Adler's going to be YOLOing on cannabis stocks. Oh, my. Oh, boy. So, Clay, bro, KCMO here, about to smoke the Purple Chem Indica, whatever that is, man. CIA the Ghost. I don't even know what that is, man. What is a Purple Chem Indica flower? I don't know what that is. Many Worlds really is killing it. This is just the beginning. Gonzo, very nice, man. Yeah, I'm up 25% on my Many Worlds right now. I'm just kidding on that. Oh, thank God. Adler just really likes messing with my nerves now. I know he does. Okay, Prog, I see you. I don't even see it, man. Prog off the charts right now. Prog rising up to $1.70. Very good. Question is, Devil's Advocate, you still got that put or no? Because your put's probably losing money at this point. Calls are doing good. Shares are doing good. Put would not be doing well. Adler's YOLO with the purple flower. Moonstronaut, he's the YOLO for sure, man. Going one from the other, just YOLO in his life, man. Oh my gosh, making me nervous. I'll tell you that's what he's doing. Think you may have already had too much. Possibly, Paul, possibly. Hey, Keith, what's going on, Keith? Good afternoon to you. It is afternoon now, man. What is this? My boss thinks you're cute. I told her that's my bro, Paolo Jr. Very nice, man. Very nice. Well, if your boss thinks I'm cute, then I guess you're going to be allowed to continue watching the YouTube channel while you're at work. Perfect. Only question is, why is your boss not watching as well? Come on, Paolo. Loading up, and reloading more Shiba. Tommy, very nice. My put takes a deep breath. Has went from 2 cents a piece down to 1 cent. It's horrible. Darn it, man. Darn it. 50% loss, man. Gosh, you got me addicted to the words, bro. Nice conquest. I'm talking about auto selling when it starts going green again. Oh, dude, this guy was... I thought he was worried. Listen. Okay, good. I was worried about that. Auto sell around 23. I'm still learning about shorts. What is a short squeeze? Okay, no, dude, look. I wouldn't be selling when it goes to 23. Okay, I wouldn't be selling when it goes to 23, but a short, very simple, man. If you don't know what a short squeeze is, a short position is when you, an institution, a hedge fund, somebody goes out there, borrows the stock from somebody else, and sells it. So if they did that right now at $20.47, and they sold short 1 share of AMC, they would receive a credit for $20.47 in their account. They would have $20 more today than they had 5 seconds ago before they sold it. So they hope that it goes back down in price, or goes down in price, so they can buy it back at maybe $10 per share, and then give that to the person they borrowed it from, and they profit $10. If it doesn't, let's say it goes up to $30, they can choose to go out there and buy it at $30, take a, they received $20 for it, and they sold, or they bought it back for $30, so they did have a $10 loss on that one. Shorting is when you sell it before you ever buy it. Now, a short squeeze happens because they do have to buy it back, and when they go to buy it back, that is buying pressure, and that demand, that increase in demand from those shorts being closed out and covered is what causes the price to rise. And if you squeeze something, the way that we would like to see it play out is we buy up all the shares and they can't get their hands on any. So we own all the shares of AMC. They offer us $20. We say no. They offer us $30. We say no. They offer us $40. We say no. They offer us $50. We say no, and so on. And they are forced to buy them back because they borrowed them. They have to return them to the person they borrowed them from. Mitch, invest in tokens with value. Plenty of tokens that have applicable value in the future. Dollar is going down, which is facts. Crypto is the future. Yeah, dollar is going down, man. Dollar is going down for sure. And just because of inflation, dollar's going down as well. I smoke sage and drink pine needles. Cassie, I don't know if that's true or not. I don't even know what that means, but it sounds dangerous to me. Ms. Gonzo says I smoke a lot of herbs and I'm still not that crazy. Adler likes to live life on the very razor edge of the cliff, man. Razor edge. If you guys had $200,000 invest today, what high risk stocks would you pour into and jump? Oh my god. Farmy. Okay, Farmy. If you want to go pump Farmy up for me, I've been sitting on that forever and it's doing nothing. So just go. That's a high-risk stock, man. I'm telling you, it's a high-risk stock. Their earnings report should be coming out at the end of this month, and it could work out very well for you. Could work out very bad for you. So if you want to go pump something up, you can pump that up for me. Sage incense and pine needle tea. Okay, Cassie, that might be a little less strange, I guess, if it makes sense. I know JB is listening, but can't chat. He asked for your thoughts on Saitama and how many you hold. We haven't discussed this in a while. Mr. Simon, true. JB, this is for you, man. So I currently do not own any Saitama. I think that Saitama could work out for you if you're really into it. I believe Saitama's got a $2 or $3 billion market cap at this point, which is a very large coin. Okay, it's got a very large following, and a lot of people always want to know what I think about Saitama. I don't really have any connection to it whatsoever. So if you think that you can make some money on it, JB, go grab some. If you don't think that you can make some money on it, JB, don't buy any. Thoughts on Saitama? When is AMC fourth quarter earnings call? Dwayne, good question because I do not know the answer. Pro! Homegirl is cheap AF right now, and next week we got Catalyst, and February is supposed to be Gucci also. Dude, wouldn't it be sweet if you grab some prog on the 18th, that Catalyst threw it all the way up to like $6 a share. You came over and farmed me for the earnings call. You 2x or 3x there after the earnings call or the earnings report, and then you got back into prog for February gains. Dang, man. If that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Adler, search YouTube for futures trading. There you can lose money literally in a few seconds if you get the direction right. I hate apples. Yeah, dude. Or if you want to get into extremely highly leveraged Forex trading, that's perfect. You could do that as well. Adler, you're making me scared. No, not Farmville. Farmy, man. Farmy. Sounds like you like the mushrooms anyway. So if you're interested in Farmy, right here, $22.69. $22.69. Pump it up for me. Save me. Or Sundial. Sundial's in the green today, so something must be brewing over there. Sundial typically doesn't trade in the green. Oh, it's trying not to be in the green, though. It's coming back down a little bit. Cleedinho, you are awesome. Sabaninho, you're awesome, man. For real, you guys are all awesome. I'm glad that you guys are... I really am glad you guys are so cool, dude. If I came on here every day and it was like interacting with a bunch of cotton-headed ninny-muggins, I'd be like, no. We'll just stick to the videos. Moonstronaut, yes, you would have $100 in cash, but the value of that $100 would be less over time. Still 100 less buying power. Yeah, facts, man. Actually, if you waited a year and you got 7% inflation, your $100 is really only going to be worth about $93, maybe $94. Yo, Joe in the house. What's up, Joe? Yo, Clay, have you ever heard of Dogelon Mars? Yes, D's. I have heard of Dogelon Mars. A lot of people do like Dogelon Mars. $732 million market cap right now. We just looked at it about 8 minutes ago. Part 1, public service announcement. I actually hate when people say stuff like this, but I'm going to anyways. We've all been taught by the dip and are likely good at it, but recently, since I heard someone say, if it's good enough to screenshot, it's good enough to take profits, which I've been using as a rule, and admittedly, I got lucky with BBIG. I've made $2,000 this week. My portfolio is down to $3,000, so huge. That is a big gain, dude. A $2,000 gain on a $3,000 portfolio is a huge gain. I mean, dude, you made almost 50%. You made, what is that, 40? Nearly 40%? No, 2,000 on 3,000 is like 60%. You made like 60%, dude, in a week. Perfect. And true, if it is good enough to screenshot, man, you're already taking pictures of it. So Sundial green. Julia Gulia. Something's a brewing, man. Something's a brewing, Julia. Sundial should not be green. Libra, check altcoin season index. Chris, what is the altcoin season index, man? I don't even know what that is. Adler, great. How about tipping Claybro with a super chat for all this free advice? Just saying, I hate apples. I like this guy. Sometimes I hate apples worries me a little bit too, but now I like him. Let's see. What are we looking for here? This is a nice index right here. I've never even used this index before, man. Oh, it is not. Dude, I would have called that altcoin season for sure. Okay, so let's see their thought process on this. They're saying it is not altcoin season right now. Bitcoin season is over here. Altcoin season is over here. You would expect, by the fact that this is, I would say, heavily weighted towards altcoin season, that it is altcoin season. But their line in the sand is 75. So what they're saying is you got to be above this line right here if you're going to reach into altcoin season. Clearly, this is Bitcoin season. Okay, great. But altcoin season up here above this. This is no man's land. So I don't know what they expect you to do right here. But altcoin season occurs when 75% of the top 50 coins performed better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days. It is altcoin season. So, over the last 90 days, honestly takes you to about the October, maybe a little bit before the October run. Bitcoin has come down, but the altcoins most likely have come down a little bit more than Bitcoin has. So a slightly larger loss in altcoins over Bitcoin. And that's why they're saying it is still Bitcoin season. Gotcha. Adler Gray, YOLO, Doja on Mars, 50,000 in and 5,000 on Ford. Yo ho ho. Oh my gosh, this dude, 50 grand on Doja on Mars. Oh my gosh. 50 grand on Doja on Mars. Let's get it, Adler. God, this guy makes me nervous. Alright, if this dude's throwing 50 grand on Doja on Mars, we know that it is sitting at 13.22 right now. Hopefully, somebody remember 13.22. Hopefully, Adler is in a good position next week when we come back for the live stream and we don't have to worry about him. Because right now, I'm worried about Adler. Okay, 50,000 into Doja on Mars. Oh, gosh. AMC Trapper, you good, bro? I hope so. Stock Baba, Alibaba is going to go up 10% today. Privileged information, Hudson. Well, dude, I hope it does go up 10% today. Hello, Sarah Dester Croy. How are you doing today? Sarah is from the UK. I did not know this. Should I short Robinhood stock? Conquest 3D. Listen. If you're shorting something, maybe you should just buy a put on it, okay? I would say that might be a better way to go than actually shorting. So you have to have a margin account in order to short, and you have to have enough margin available. But if you're going to be buying a put, you're playing it to the downside. So if Robinhood goes down in value, your put is going to go up in value, and you're going to be making money when Robinhood goes down in price. But the good thing about a put is, you've got your max loss there. So you can lose 100% of the value of your put if it expires worthless. So at least there, you know what you can lose. If you're actually shorting a position, it leads to unlimited losses because there's unlimited upside potential. Now, I'm sure you would get margin called before they let you lose unlimited money. But if you want to play Robinhood to the downside, that might be a better approach to doing it. Hey, listen to me. This is a real question. We need a yes or no. Would you confirm that you agree to Freddie making bro NFT stuff on a website? Seeing as you're the main character, we need approval. Look, guys, I mean, Freddie can actually make whatever kind of designs he wants. So if that's a caricature, I honestly don't even know if I can say anything against that, because it's a caricature. It's a drawing. I mean, yes, it's in my likeness, but I do think it's cool. So, I mean, Freddie, if you want to do it, man, dude, I guess just hook me up. Hook me up with some NFTs or hook me up with something, man. I can't stop you from doing it anyway. But clearly you got a talent with caricatures. And dude, let's both make money together. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Already done, but I respect you too much not to get you okay. But yeah, man, look, Freddie, and like I say, I mean, if you're an artist and you're drawing these caricatures, that caricature could literally be anybody with dark hair and a beard and a mustache that talks about AMC and Shiba Inu coin. So it does start to get narrowed down a little bit better. But no, man, I think you got a talent. Just hook me up. Hook me up with some NFTs or hook me up with something, man. You're clearly doing good. Quad bikes for kids, 120/20 Doge. 120/20 Doge, I don't know what that is. Yo, Clay, bro. Sup, bro? Hey, bro. I'll say TF1. How you doing, man? Sarah Croy. Being British, it's a PETA when everything the U.S. Fed says and does costs me money. A pity. Maybe a pity. I think it might be a pity. Dude, I hate apples. I hate apples. Are you British too? How many people in here are British? Come on. Can I get a PD Pete dance NFT? Pitbull. Yeah, Pitbull. We need to give PD Pete a PD Pete dance NFT too. Save me, Adler Gray. We got to, man. It's the price. It's the price for a Tesla. Oh my gosh. Crypto not rocketing. That's crazy price, man. That's crazy price. I think AMC stock will go green because of Shiba acceptance. Conquest 3D. I think you did ask that, but I forgot to answer it. So, no. Okay? No. Now, that might be hard to hear, but I don't think that AMC accepting Shiba is going to drive the price much higher. I don't. I think the main things we have supporting AMC are the AMC apes buying, the excitement that we can generate, and like the I don't know if news is the right word, but the word of mouth driving more people into AMC. AMC accepting Shiba is cool, but I don't think it's really going to drive revenue higher. Because, I mean, I think we did a poll in here before too, but I'm not willing to spend my Shiba. I would rather spend my dollar because I know my dollar is going to be worth less due to inflation, but my Shiba is most likely going to be worth more. So I'd rather hold on to my Shiba as an investment instead of spend it as a currency. And I believe that that's going to be the mentality of a lot of people out there. So I don't see that driving revenue much higher, and therefore I don't see it driving the price of AMC much higher. I do a vote, Clay. I do a vote. What, Sarah, on how many people are British in here? I think everybody is. English loves limes. Man, apples do not suck, but I hate apples, hates apples, so I guess, man. Yes, but I talk dollars. Boom! I hate apples. Good deal, man. Thank you for talking dollars, because it does help me. I mean, it makes sense. It's evening in the UK. There are a lot of people from the UK in here. It is true. Lee is from Great Britain. 1776 US, nice, man. Strong reversal on Shiba coming any day now until late February. Hold on, Chris. I hope so, dude. Nicholas, yay. What did Nicholas say? I don't even know what Nicholas said. Oh, I'm British. Nicholas is British as well. Everybody in here is British. My gosh, what the heck happened? Lauren, are you in here, Lauren? Do you feel Shiba could double in this year? Yes, I feel like Shiba could double in this year. I saw an Alex Becker video this morning. He bought an NFT for 15 Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum, not dollars, but sold it 6 months later for 100 Ethereum and made 450,000. Even the cheapest Bored Apes NFTs are now like 15 Ethereum, $60,000. My gosh. Look, I don't know too much about. I've never bought a Bored Ape NFT or anything like that. But is there any Is there any underlying value to those other than the fact that, you know, they're sought after pictures, right? Other than the fact that they've got a following now. Does anything come with those Bored Ape NFTs? Vic Neat is in the UK. My gosh, everybody is. Discounted link for my OnlyFans if loose. Yeah, but oh no, let's not lose then, Adler. Nobody needs the discounted link for OnlyFans. But living in Norway, Nicholas, gotcha. We got some UK guys in here living in Sweden too. I hate apples. Do you really hate apples? Danelle, that is a good question. Do you really hate apples? I hate apples. I don't know anybody that actually hates apples. None at all, no value. Dang, man. So they just got a huge following with that Bored Ape NFT. Wow. They killed it then. Yeah, you could say you have a Bored Ape NFT. I mean, that is value, right? That is value that you get to say you have one. I mean, that's like, you know, you got a Louis Vuitton purse or something, right? It's still just a purse. It costs you $3,000. What's Many Worlds doing right now, Clay Bro? Isa Woo. Hopefully it's going up, man. What do we got? Many Worlds is still going up, man. It's going up on a Friday. Yeah, Many Worlds sitting right here. Current market cap $2.5 million, up 9.7% on the day. 001014 is the price. I got in on New Year's Eve. And I probably got in around, I don't know, around this time. So I don't know exactly what my price is, but 0008 maybe. 0008 maybe. 83, 84, somewhere around there. So if you would have got in down here on this dip, you'd be almost double your money right now. That's very nice. Just in the last 6 days, you would have doubled your money. But I've been in for what? 2 weeks now? Very nice, Isawu, and up 10% today. Looking good on Many Worlds. Freddie, thank you for the most embarrassing super chat that exists. Appreciate that, man, and I know everybody else does. Freddie. Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Freddie. Appreciate that super chat. Now we just lost subscribers. I can almost guarantee it. Cringeworthy coming your way. Yes, it is cringeworthy. The bad thing is, I'm not even sweating right now. So I hope that I'm not getting used to that, because I should be sweating. I should be sweating after doing that. Dude, it just makes me laugh. I'm telling you right now, Freddie. Oh, God. I should be sweating right now, but unfortunately I'm not. I think something bad is happening to me. So what? Adam. So what, man? So what? GB apples do not. Oh, my gosh. This guy loves apples. He says they don't suck. My alias is just to play on my name. Paul something. You made the same reference as me right after I sent it, and now I hate myself, because obviously I copied you. Oh. Do things go up if it isn't on a Tuesday? Yes, they do, Devil's Advocate. Yes, they do. Can you not do a live raffle, burn some, pay some winners? So, yeah. I could do it. Look, man, actually, you know what? I don't know. I think I could. If it was a huge raffle, I'm not exactly sure that YouTube promotes gambling, right? But if it's a burn with a potential return, I don't know if that's necessarily gambling. Like, if people know that they're sending their money in to be burnt for Shiba Inu, like, if you're gonna burn it during a live burn party or something like that, and then somebody did win a percentage, like it was a 50-50 drawing or something, I don't think that, I guess you could just test it. I don't think that would violate their guidelines, because it's a donation. This is a good question, though. It's a good question. I hate apples. Welcome, Paul. Justin Simmons, thank you very much for the super chat. I got 239,000 Dogecoin and 1 billion Shiba. I think it's good. It's going to be a very good year. Justin, I hope it's going to be a great year for you, man. 239,000 Dogecoin. You're killing it, dude. I hope Dogecoin goes to $1, and I hope Shiba Inu coin goes to a penny. There, you are going to have an amazing year. Oh, my gosh. Hey. Who thinks that if if Dogecoin goes to $1 and Shiba goes to a penny, you gotta let us know. You gotta let us know that you held all the way out there. I think you owe us that. My goal is 1 billion Shiba. Very nice, Adam. I've been sweating since yesterday. It's a nice fat burner. Living on the edge. Adler, yes, I would agree with you that I would have also been sweating since yesterday too. MDT, did you check out Amcool Bacontron? What's going on? MDT, who's MDT? Mariachi says, your mom will be so proud. I know my mom will be proud. Wouldn't she? I think my mom is proud. Do you guys think, I think we should do a poll. Do you think my mom's proud of me? I don't know. Maybe we should do a poll on that. I wonder. I sometimes wonder. Like, isn't it great you can just sit here and wonder in front of the world whether or not your mom's proud of you? And then have just random people do a poll and see if they are or not. Let's see here. She was next to me. I wish she'd back off. She won't stop coughing. This is her fault. I don't even know what we're talking about anymore. Darn it. What are you doing that close to a pregnant woman, devil's advocate? I know I missed something. Wasn't watching. Heard that meow. Laughed and spit hot coffee onto a pregnant woman. Thanks for ruining my hot streak, Clay. 10 out of 1 odds I'll be in HR by lunch. Dude, if that's true, man, if that's true, nice. You're going to have a good day today. The devil's advocate, perfect, man. You're going to have a great day. So, Clipper, why is everyone excited about the 21st of January options? Maybe you can explain this for dummies. So, Mariachi, man, we got a lot of monthly options on AMC expiring on that day, and they're excited because we might have a lot of options, and I have to say might. We might have a lot of options expire in the money. If we do, then the hedge funds or the people who went out and sold those calls, if they sold them naked, meaning they don't have the underlying shares, they weren't covered calls, they're going to have to go out and buy those shares to deliver to the people who bought the calls. And if that happens, it's going to drive up the buying pressure. Demand is going to increase, and the price should increase because of a potential gamma squeeze. So it all comes down to whether or not the price moves up before January 21st, and if it does, then we could see some sort of a gamma squeeze. Let's see. Conquest 3D. I'd love to see you do a live burn and all super chat money goes to Sheba burns. Would you be down for that? Quest, we could do something like that if you guys really wanted to do something like that. The only thing is, man, I think it would be best if there was some sort of a, I guess, return for people sending money to be burnt in. I don't want to go out there and just burn people's money. I would rather have some sort of a reward for sending in and then burning a percentage as well or something. So if you guys really did and we wanted to come up with something like that, yeah, we could. But I don't know if I don't want to just burn people's money. You know what I mean? Let's see. She's 100% proud of you. So are we all. Done now. Very nice. I hope so. Good morning, happy traders. What's going on that one, dude? What's your favorite coin? Shiba? I do like Shiba, yes, but I like Raven coin. I've been doing very well on Raven coin. Been mining it for a long time. I've been mining it since it was a penny, and it went up to like 28 cents and came back down. Right now, I believe it's at 9.5 cents today. Speaking of your mom, remember when we made her cry? Classic. Yeah, dude, it's always good to make your mom cry, though. I mean, that's always good. Charge for Discord service. Yeah, a lot of people seem to be getting into that lately, and they've got alerts with just moving average crossovers. So, interesting. I don't know what goes on in these Discords. It's like a dark land that I've never been to. You could cover the live raffle instead of you hosting the raffle yourself. What do you mean I can cover the live raffle? Nicholas, what do you mean I can cover it? Clear. I'm trying to hook the minting website up to Sheba. They can be sent directly to the Burn wallet. Freddie, I actually don't know much about minting NFTs, man. I don't know much about minting NFTs. I think you know more about that than I do. Teach me about it, man, because I want to learn about it. I'd mint NFTs all day. I'd mint them all day. AMC coming back down right now, sitting at $20.13. Sheba back down a little bit, $30.76. GameStop getting hit hard right now, sitting at $113, down $9 on the day, 7.48% loss. Prague holding up nice and strong, sitting at $1.68. We got the NASDAQ back down below even, sitting down 0.20%. Farmy, $22.70 right now, trading flat. And we're coming back here with AMC trying to bounce off that $20 line. It's only one, and honestly, I won't say whose it is. It's like a huge wrestler measuring contest of people trying to push their DD, and you feel superior with the occasional quick found news article. Very interesting. So, is it similar to Reddit? Is it similar to Reddit then? Because I feel like that's what a lot of people on Reddit do. Luckily, I do. Freddie, good deal, man, because teach me about it, man, because I want to know about it. What is a decent starting amount to put into Sheba? Pika power. Whatever you're comfortable with is a decent starting amount. I'm going to be completely honest with you. Some people, like Adler, they're comfortable going out, taking an equity line out on their house and blowing it all on Doge, and then, hey, they made 20%. They did excellent. Other people, more conservative. They'd be cool with $100 going into Sheba. Just know that what you invest, you run the risk of losing. So you got to be comfortable with whatever amount that is, and have a realistic goal in mind. If you expect to go out there and invest $100 right now and have it turn into $100 million, it's not going to happen. Even $1 million is a 10,000x increase. That's not going to happen, man. That's not going to happen without huge burns. 10,000x increase. No, man, that gives you 20 billion. 10x is 200 billion. 100x is 2 trillion. You're not even going to 1,000x. 1,000x going to take you to $500 trillion. Not going to happen. You need a much bigger burn to take place. The ROI from a live super chat burn would be we'd make our own Shiba bull run. Conquest. Okay, so yeah, if we were going to do something like just burning the profits off super chats or something, yeah, we could do that. We could do that, but I don't think that we are going to be able to burn a significant amount. And I'm not trying to rain on a parade or anything, but let's just say let's just say it's currently trading at 3,000. So, dude, even if we just killed it, okay, and we did like $3,000, that's 100 million. That's 100 million. 100 million Shiba. 100 million Shiba being burnt is not going to be a huge amount. Sustainable, I mean, if we do it, if you just want to send super chats and do it that way, but 100 million is not going to diminish the overall supply. We need much bigger burns. Question: why does the circulating supply for Shiba stay the same on CoinMarketCap? Keith, good question. I don't think we're burning significant enough amounts yet to affect the circulating supply. Clay, how do you feel about Sandbox? Got an 80 cents and it's been soaring since. That one dude. I like Sandbox, okay? I don't know a whole lot about it, but I know it's in the metaverse space, and I think it's going to have a pretty good future. when all this metaverse stuff starts playing out. There can be a raffle that someone else hosts on a separate live feed, not YouTube, that you cover. Okay, yeah, Nicholas, that might be. I think that could get away with. Oh man, guidelines. I think that could be covered by the guidelines. Absolutely. You could use Discord as an alternative way to communicate with us instead of live stream YouTube and kind of like a little Reddit, and everyone can post whatever, just like a party chat app. Tay. Yeah, I think I could. See, and I don't. Here's the thing. How active would I have to be in there? Because I'm not going to lie to you, okay? Like you guys talked about it earlier. 3 videos and 2 live streams, and then still time to like make dinner and things like that. It's a lot of time. So being active elsewhere is very, very difficult. Freddie, I would love to have you join Dr. MF Gonza team and on many worlds. Let's go. Freddie seems to know his stuff. BBIG going to have an insane gamma and short squeeze next week. June Cartwright, if it does, perfect for those that are still in BBIG. I am not in BBIG, but if you are, make as much money as possible. Don't be afraid to take your profits. Does anyone know how often they update the actual circulating supply? Sean, I do not know if there's some sort of a threshold, like it's monthly, semi-annually, quarterly. I have no idea what the threshold for CoinMarketCap is. When Lambo, when Moon, when Lambo, when Moaz. BB, tomorrow. It's always tomorrow, man. Found Prague is teaming up with Pfizer. That's cool. Yeah, Devil's Advocate been talking about that for a while. If they do team up with Pfizer, man, we could see some good stuff for Prague's share price. Mitch, many Mitch. Oh, yes. Honestly, probably not at all active. As long as your mods were all active people, it would pretty much be self-sustaining, and it would be a place to hang out for all of us to discuss our own DD. Yeah, I mean, I think that wouldn't be a bad place. I just know for myself, and I wouldn't want to disappoint anybody with how active I would have to be in there, because it is tough, man. It is tough to get through all this stuff. With the occasional "what's up" message from Clay. Now that I can do. I can do an occasional, but I can't. I highly doubt that I could like post in the morning before a video, post in the afternoon after a video, post in the evening, and all that stuff. Not confirmed, but highly suspected about Prague. In your honest opinion, do we hit 145 on January 21st? Cody, no, I don't. If you're talking about hitting $145 on AMC January 21st, I do not think that we're going to hit $145 on January 21st. Was somebody saying that we will, Cody? Yes, tomorrow. Thanks. BB, absolutely, man. Absolutely. What's the scoop on Poopsicle Claybroski? Jeremy! Poopsicle, man? I'm on Poopsicle now? I don't know what the scoop is. Double scoop? Maybe triple? I'm in one, and the owner uses a bot that posts his new videos, and it's more of his fans chatting than him doing anything there. Okay, Cassie. Okay. I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't even know how to use a bot to post my videos. But, no, I think that would be a cool place because, look, I really like this live stream vibe where we can come and just hang out and discuss what's going on, okay? I've always wanted the live streams to be a little more interactive, right, than a lot of the other live streams that are out there, and just sitting, and I don't know, okay? I don't know if it's a better approach or not, because clearly people would rather have a very chill vibe and just look at the stock and, have me say, oh, no, come on, Amy, hold that $20 line. Come on now, Amy, you got to hold that $20 line. If we break this, it could be bad news. If Amy breaks down below $20, it could be bad news. Well, might be getting a little bounce here. Is she turning green? And I would rather be interactive because it's difficult to answer all of the comments sometime and really get that, personalization across when you're answering comments. So that's what I use the live streams for. And answering questions, too, because clearly it's a lot easier. Cladinho, what's for lunch? Saminho, man. I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm going to eat for lunch today. I don't even know if I'm going to eat lunch today. I might just have some snacks. Sounds like a Mac Horse cash grab to me, Cassie. Let's go. I like cash. Come on. Why are my comments not being posted? Jeremy, I see your comment, man. Realistically, it would probably be like Trapper and I and a few other mods that would be the ones that have to a lot to do the legwork together. Boom. I know you guys are. I know you guys are up for it. $40 billion says we do. Cody. Oh my gosh. $40 billion says what now? Oh, $40 billion says we go up to $145. I gotcha. Dude, I don't think... Are there that many... 40 billion? I'm going to have to look at that, man, because I don't think that there's $40 billion being posted on $145 call options. That's, Man, these people are really taking a chance out there. Let's see. Clay, are a certain percentage of people selling AMC and GME after a year of ownership? It's possible, Mitch. It is possible. Cladinho, what's for lunch? Saw that one already. Coors has a publicist. Dang, man. Sounds nice. Sounds nice. Coors has lawyers. Man, I need lawyers too. No, I don't like lawyers. Come on. Oh, this is what I need. I don't need no lawyers. I don't need no publicist. I just need Lauren and the Peach. Everybody else, just listen. This is just me and Lauren right now. Everybody close your eyes. You can't even look. Lauren, you can touch whatever, but everybody close your eyes. Peach. Extra fuzzy? I don't know. Clay Bros Peach, ladies and gentlemen. That one was for Lauren right there. Thank you very much for the super chat, Lauren. Absolutely appreciate it. How are you feeling? You feeling 100% better, 90% better? What's going on, Lauren? Tell me. I'm going to say it now. If we ever have one, and if Clay decided to make me a mod, I would be quick to use my mod hand and cut people. Discord can get toxic much faster than here since it's 24/7 unfiltered. Boom! Dropping the hammer on that one, you guys. Better behave. You're a weird guy. Power droids. Facts, man. Facts. If you're not weird, dude, if you're not afraid, like if you're afraid to have a little fun and just do whatever you want, man, I don't know. It doesn't really bother me. I'd rather be weird and just have a little fun. It's too freaky. Jojo Mint, man. You liked it. Jojo, I told you to close your eyes, dude. That was just for Lauren, and Jojo's over here like this. Come on, Jojo. I'm telling you right now, man. I told you to close your eyes. That was Lauren and me only. I'm feeling really good, thank you. It's just a stupid cough left, but I'm good. Lauren, perfect. Listen, I don't know if I had anything of this sort, but I was sick a while ago, like 2 years ago now, and I did have a cough for a while. So I hope that thing doesn't linger, and I hope that you are okay. I'm glad you're feeling better. Hopefully you got all your energy back. And you're doing good. Have you heard of self-healing concrete? I have not, Reginald. I have not. I don't know too much about concrete, man. What's making AMC so sought after in the crypto world? I don't know. Johnny, AMC is not a crypto. AMC is a stock. But if you're asking why cryptocurrencies would want to be used towards it, I guess it's because a lot of the retail investors in AMC also invest in crypto, and they're comfortable using crypto. So that's why cryptos are kind of flocking to AMC and GameStop right now, because they got the same investor base. You know the short and Sheba, right? Para droids. Yeah, I don't know what platform they're allowing them to short Shiba on, but I know they were talking about that with KuCoin a while back, but I don't think that that's actually shorting Shiba. If it's a different platform, yes. But if they're just playing like derivatives to the downside and playing the price action, that's a different story. Simon, I'm in for Discord. If we made one, I'm not going to just assume he wants me to mod there too. I'm not entitled, but I gotta be offered again. I'm a classy girl. Yes, man. And I'm a classy guy. Come on now. Do I think you would ever tweet about Biden? Ever tweet about Shiba? That'd be awesome. It would explode. A peak of power. No, I do not. Oh, in a Discord. Yes, Mr. Simon. Crypto not rocketing. Hello. Man, I like crypto rocketeer better than crypto not rocketing, but crypto is not rocketing right now. Johnny Walker, have you ever played on Football Index in UK? I don't know what football index is... all right, cool. Caught up on that. Let's see what we got going on. Back above 23? No. 2267 sitting dead sideways right now. Not a lot of action going on in Farmy. NASDAQ down 0.5% on the day. Not faring too well. Going to retest this level of support here. Hopefully it holds up. If it doesn't, most likely going to continue breaking down. GameStop sitting at 113.06, down 7.5% on the day. Oh my goodness. Can't buy a bucket. 112.50 the low there. And then Prague doing very nicely, trying to regain that 170 level. Hopefully we get it, and AMC stays above $20 per share. TMI's mom put me in timeout. I'm back. Not Wrestler. Glad to have you in here. The only question is, man, why were you hanging out in TMI stream when you could be hanging out here? Wrestler, come on, man. Gets put in timeout. All right, Euler Finance says you can short Shiba right on their website. Gotcha, that one, dude. So look, shorting Shiba, okay, it is a very, very risky endeavor. So like shorting any cryptocurrency or any stock, you're open to a 100% loss. Now, Shiba Inu coin could, if you short it, yeah, you might be able to track it back down to 2,800 points per coin again, make a little money there. But if you get it wrong and Shiba starts to go on a run, it could easily double in price. Now, listen, if you're using a margin account and you're using a margin account on one of these places that gives you leverage, and you're 10-to-1 leverage, which is not a huge amount of leverage, but if you're 10-to-1 and Shiba Inu coin goes up just 10%, just 10% on that 10-to-1 leverage, which it's almost guaranteed to do. That's Shiba going up to 3,300, 3,400 points per coin. Your account's bust. Okay? So don't get drawn into it. I know you guys probably aren't, but don't get drawn into shorting Shiba Inu coin. Let the people who want to lose their money do that. More people to troll over there. Sometimes I'm seen, sometimes I'm not. Today, I was seen. Wrestler, I'll let you troll anybody you want to troll in here, man. Bring all of them over here, too. You can troll everybody in here. I've never been out of the U.S. Johnny Walker, that's all right, man. There's a lot of people who have never been out of the U.S. If the crypto market has a big drop, what would your top coins be that you would invest in for the recovery? Quentin, depends which ones dropped, man. But I like the exchange coins, things like Binance, Crypto.com coin, Ethereum, depending on how far it dropped. But I don't really want to buy Ethereum with all the gas fees. I would rather buy Ethereum on a platform like Webull. I'd rather pay the spread and not worry about any gas fees. And then also, if metaverse coins like Sandbox, Decentraland, Axie Infinity, if some of those bigger coins now started to fall, I'd be happy with those. But I think if crypto does take a pretty big decline, you're going to see a nice recovery longer term. Is FJB a new coin? I don't think it's that new, man, but it is out there. I've been out of the U.S. Pringleton, question is, have you ever been to the U.S., Pringleton? That is the real question. Whenever anyone writes in the Navy, you can only hear it sung, never just said normally. I just said it normally. That's just me, though. Okay, yeah, Gala would look good as well. Gala, was Gala down to I think Gala was down to, a $4 billion market cap? I was looking at that one the other day. You'd better get your Sheba poor, man. If you want to get rich, hold it for 3 years. Boom! I'll hold it for 3 years. Read my post about Sweden on Twitter. Tagged you yesterday. All right, I'll have to check that out. Crypto not rocketing. I will check that out. And it is 1 o'clock, guys. It is 1 o'clock. So I am going to get off here. We will be back in a couple of hours. Devil's Ever brings in, always sing it ever since I found out I joined the Navy, and it's made me hate the song more than anything in the world. Time for lunch, Clay Stretta. That it is. So, guys, get your names in the chat. Let's get some shout-outs going here. Thank you very much for hanging out this morning. Having a fun time. I don't know. Market's not doing too much right now. AMC just really sitting around that $20 level. GameStop down. Prog sitting at 167. Shiba sitting sideways at 30.87 and so on. Pretty slow afternoon going into the holiday weekend. I do want to announce again, and I'll say it again this afternoon if I can remember, no live stream on Monday because the market will be closed. I will have videos, but the live stream will not be here because the market is closed. So keep that in mind. And so we're going to have a 3-day weekend coming up. But let's get these shout-outs going. Thank you, guys. I've now been to the U.S. and did say when it was written. Boom. Perfect. Pringleton, you got to come to the U.S., man. Hang out with us. SD, great show, Claire, bro. SD, thank you very much. Thanks for being in here. Guest name, The Real Wrestler Shoe. Now that is what I'm talking about. Esau Wu, shout out to you, Pringleton, Mr. Gonzo, Dunnell, goodbye to you, Esau Wu, that one dude, Sarah to Stay Croy, enjoy your afternoon/evening, Freddie, Paul Wright, the real wrestler, Freddie, Esau Wu, Cassie, until the next time, hope each and every one of you an awesome day. Yes, Cassie already knows what I'm going to say. Johnny Walker, Pringleton, Mr. Gonzo, Esau Wu, guest name, Crypto Not Rocketing, Pringleton, Quentin, Crypto Not Rocketing, Esau Wu, King Larry sees you Tuesday, boom, perfect, man. King Larry, come back this afternoon if you want to hang out with us. We will be back this afternoon, but not on Monday. Paradroid, see you later. Real Wrestler Shoe, Sarah, boom. And then AMC Trapper. I don't know if you're in here or not, but AMC Trapper would say, peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Diddy214, Reginald, see you guys later. All right, you need that closing catchphrase on a shirt. I do, man, I do. We got to get that. We got to make that happen. But, guess name, see you later. Marky Mark, see you later. All right, guys, you know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.